Alarm goes off at 4:45. Roll out of bed, rub the sleep from my eyes. Throw on a shirt and some jeans.
Welcome back to Taggy's Playtime. Little side mission. I've just spent some money on the major because you know what? I need to crack on with that. And I've got one of my bits. Do you know what? I'm going to get this in for shot blast as well. So, spoke to a chap. He's going to shot blast it for me and prime it for me so then I can put it in the colours that I want it. So, what we have here is a Massey mower, number 34. So, did a little bit of read up. Alright, most of what I read up I've probably forgotten about now, but the 33 was a horse drawn and the 34 was like a little bit newer, which was actually agriculturally drawn. As you see, there's a drawbar. So yeah, it's not a bad nick, it just wants a bit of a good cleaning. So we're going to strip this down and get it in for paint and shot blast and then put it back together, and hopefully when the major's all done next spring, hopefully we'll be taking this out and running it around a few fields. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to catch what's going on, hit the smack bell button and then you'll see everything that goes on with this 34 mower. I am going to annoy the purists a little bit because I am actually going to put it in Fortin colours to make it look good behind the Fortin, but hey, no one's perfect, eh? And it's nice to see old equipment like this getting reused and, you know, looked after. Plus, I'm going to put it around the rallies as well. It'd be a nice little piece to go behind the tractor as well at the rally. So let's get cracking. I'll catch you soon. As nice as it would be to reuse the original pins, I think they've had their day, so I think we'll measure it and we'll see if we can make some nice new pins up. Wow, look at that old school roller bearing.
clean that up, I think we'll be able to reuse him. He's that bloody good. That's pretty bloody cool, that. It was just on that shaft. Yeah, I think it's gonna be grand. Yeah, ideal. I think my best course will be to get the WD-40 and just oosk all the bolts up. I would love to reuse much original nuts and bolts, especially with square heads, because I think that just is quite an aesthetically pleasing thing to see square head bolts. I mean, yeah, I could put normal bolts in and be done with it, but I don't want to do that. I want to keep it original-ish. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to oosk it all up and see how we get on. What else do we want to spray? Let's spray these ones. Let's give that one a spray. Let's give that one all a good spray, shall we? The grand unveiling! Wow, look at that! So there we are, there's a look inside. Wow, that's quite amazing, that, isn't it? Look at the gearing in here. So we got a gear lever. You see, if I pull that back, it retracts that dog gear. Again, put it in gear, out of gear. So, and then I could just run free. Get the end spin. All pretty good nick, if I'm honest, but I think obviously we'll have to drain this out. I think we'll give it a proper wash out, proper strip down, and then we'll rebuild all this when I get it back in from paint. But I mean, that's just amazing engineering. You think about how old this is and how, well, be honest with you, look, it's sat in water, but I bet you if I wiped it off it wouldn't be that bad. It's decent material, it's decent steel back then. So yeah, so alright, that's a sneak peek into the gearbox.
we'll take it down to blasting now and go from there. So it's on the back of the trailer, we're heading down to the blast place. Hopefully in the next few weeks we shall see it back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But yeah, to start it up, I needed to get some of my own stuff done. So I have actually ordered my power steering kit and my bonnet, so I can finish that, so I can get the tractor a bit more settled, shall we say, because I have sort of put it to aside and forgot all about it. Also check out Revo Racing. He's got his MGB GT in my workshop. I know he's just ordered a load of bits as well, so I know he's got a bit of an influx of it, so there will be a video coming for that, I would have thought, surely. We haven't shot the video yet, or he hasn't shot the video yet, but I imagine the next week or two there'll be a video falling on your laps for him, if you watch my channel and his channel. So there we have it, we are unloaded, it is all dropped off, and that's it. I imagine it won't be long before I get it back, because these people don't mess around at all. So yeah, so I will be back shortly with a little short video, a little unboxing video. Let's see, I'll show you what you get with this power steering kit. So if you ever get one off AgriLine, you know, and we'll rate it, maybe we'll rate how good the kit is. See how good it is. At least then you can see the components, and you can see what happens when you go to fit it as well. So might be handy to you, who knows. So don't forget to like and subscribe. The only place you're going to get this content is on this channel. From here at Tanky's Playtime, thank you ever so much for watching. I'll catch you again soon. Good night, stay safe.
Alarm goes off at 4:45. Roll out of bed, rub the sleep from my eyes. Throw on a shirt and some jeans.